Hey, YouTubers. Got another episode here for you. I can't remember what episode we're on now. But, yeah. I here working on the Mazda again. We finished up redoing the front end. I thought I had all that on video. But looks like camera went dead maybe. So I didn't get it all. But I got some of it. So we'll show you that here shortly in a time lapse. But yeah, here's what we got. Got that on both sides now. So the front is back to being complete again. And I'm not sure where we're going to go next. I do know I have to finish the header. Got a weld right there. Got to finish that one out. Catching some glares or something. Anyways, other than that, the rest of the exhaust is finished, except for this tail section. This piece right here, which drops down from here and then goes out behind the tire. Let's see. Pretty much got everything back here in the back done. It's all welded up. Yeah, I think we're off to maybe shocks on the front. If not, we got to do the start on the bed, I reckon. And for those that said to use the red two-wheel drive bed, the wife has spoken otherwise. It looks like we're going to go with four-wheel drive components. So I'll be cutting up the some of the extended cab beds I got back there in the back to use for patch panels. Then we'll go off four-wheel drive, and I had to fix the bed, and currently debating on doing a raised bed floor, a 3/4 raised bed floor. You know, currently debating on the inside of the bed. But I guess next will be to get the old part struck from back there up in here and get the bed taken off, along with the fenders, the bumper ends, and I've already got a the bubble hood, so we're good on that one for right this minute. Only other thing I can do in the meantime is go ahead and take the wishbone, lower bars out, sandblast them, get them powder coated. Anything else that can come off and get powder coated, you know, go ahead and get all that powder coated. Probably do the tank straps. I'd like to be able to do the tank, but it's not going to fit in the oven. We'll probably do motor mount. We're going to do the water outlet, thermostat housing. Probably going to do the upper intake manifold. More than likely the lower. But all this is when the motor comes out to go to get rebuilt. We'll do the valve cover. Yeah, and any other bracketry that we're going to do on a motor. But on that note, let's see if ADD doesn't take us somewhere. Might get the front end bolted back together. And in the meantime, but yeah, we might go ahead and put it back on the ground and see what it looks like. And then we'll go from there. All right, keep watching. All right, we're going to remove the mock-up bag. Let's see if I can find me some washers here. I might take that bolt back out and get a washer on it. Before I do that, let's see if we can get this other bolt in. And when everything goes back in together for the final time, we'll put lock washers, Loctite, all that good stuff on it. But for now, just a flat washer will be fine. All right, I think that's going to do it for this episode. Got it nice and short for you guys. Like I said, we went on vacation. back to the mountains this time. It was my wife's and my 9-year wedding anniversary. So went back to Maggie, had a good time. Thursday to Sunday, here it is, Monday night, and truck is on the ground. So I'm gonna call it an early night. It is 9 o'clock. I'm gonna pull these motorcycles back in, and I'm gonna edit this video and get it out to you guys. So yeah, sorry about the intro. I was telling you I'll get up to a bunch of these things. Didn't get to them. But I will say, powder coating, chassis parts, getting that bed, four-wheel drive bed, taking off, get the fenders off of the four-wheel drive. And start fitting that. The last thing we got to do, air it back up, put the exhaust back on it after get the header welded, and then put the bed on and get that exhaust tube done, which we could do it after getting the motor back from the engine builder. Either or, doesn't really matter. So yeah, new upper bag mounts seems to work good. Got plenty of clearance all the way around. And yeah, I'm gonna call that pretty good. Laid out, you know, got a whole finger here. Got plenty here on to the firewall. More than plenty on this side. I think I massaged the passenger side a little more than the driver's side. Ooh, excuse me. But on that note, catch you guys next time. Keep doing work.